Hello, Mr. Cherry. Today we're going to talk about the application of analytical and evaluative skills appropriate to the subject as it relates to the EE. What is this part and why is it important?
This is closely related to the previous criterion, which is the reason argument. It means that when you do analysis, you want to be as objective as you can, meaning your personal views on an issue, if they are unsupported, obviously they will not be showing that you are applying the correct analytical and evaluative skills.
Okay.
So it is important that whatever viewpoint you have, you justify it properly, and that if you bring viewpoints from other people, from other sources, those viewpoints are basically cited correctly, but they should not you should not overload your extended essay with second-hand viewpoints. The investigation is yours and not somebody else's.
Okay, and can you give an idea of the difference between a scientific analytical evaluation and a literary analytical evaluation?
Well, I think that as for science, the application of analytical skills would probably follow for the scientific methods. That's fairly simple and straightforward. When it comes to literary analysis, for example, right, this has to do with your correct interpretation of the aspects that you want to research on a particular work or works of a given author. And this is again tied to the understanding and the proper understanding of the work that you are investigating. So as you can see, everything is very, very linked.
So is this part where you do the experiment, the analytical evaluation?
Yes, this is when you carry out your experiment. This is when you actually prove your argument, right? This is where you prove your thoughts and your hypothesis.
Okay. And in this section, is this where you do a comparison and contrast in literary works?
You could do that if you are comparing and contrasting two works or more, or you do specific analysis on one aspect within one work. There is no need to think that the application of analytical skills or evaluative skills only relates to comparison and contrast.
Okay, thank you very much.